Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 523 on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to status.roblox.com and you need to look if the servers are fully operational or not. And if the server is fully operational, you're good to go. Another thing that you can do here is to test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or do your things, right? And another step that you can do here is simply restart your computer. Sometimes it fixes this problem. And if basically if the problem persists, then you need to basically allow Roblox through firewall. So on search, you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall, and then you need to go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Not this one. Allow an app and or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then look for Roblox and make sure that is in this list with a private and public option on. And if you don't find this option, you need to add it manually by basically pressing change settings, then allow another app, then browse. Then you need to go to your basically computer, your disk C, then your program file is x86, and here should be Roblox folder that you can add it here, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing after you add the basically Roblox on firewall, another thing that you can do here, if you're running basically playing on a browser, you need to basically disable extensions, and sometimes basically ad blocker causes the problem. So go on extensions and disable ad blocker or others, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can basically clear your browser Roblox cache files by pressing on the blank space, go to inspect applications, and then here clear site data, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is delete Roblox log files. And to do so, you just need to press Windows Sanaki, or simply just write run on search, and then you need to here write app data, and then you need to go to app data local, and here should be Roblox, and then delete logs here, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can delete temporary files. To do so, Windows Sanaki temp %temp %, find Roblox and delete this folder. Don't worry about that, it's just the cache files. It won't not affect the game, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to reinstall Roblox. To do so, you just need to go to on installed apps, and then you need to find Roblox here, and then you just need to uninstall, and after you install, go to the browser and then hit play whatever game you want here, and then you will get the message that you can install Roblox player on your PC. And the problem still persists, then you can basically, if you're playing on Windows, you can install Roblox through Microsoft Store. You just need to look for Microsoft Store, and then we need to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up, and then you need to on search just write Roblox and install Roblox through Microsoft Store. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.